Wait, that fucking motherfucker. Yeah, I want them funny.
We have a major malfunction. Did she hit the stone or just the ground?
Hit the dirt.
Courtney, this is a good look for you.
It's a dermal.
Come on. Lift her up. There we go. On the shoulder. Big strong men like bull.
It's Ben. I'm really sorry. We're walking to the car. We're walking to the car. We parked across the street from Lodge. We're going. I have to pee. I have to take her home. She won't stand right now, so. She's not doing very good about walking.
You need help, Corey? You need help? I feel bad videotaping all this while you're carrying everything.
Corey, I have to pee and you just fucking clean my